All right, traders are going to look at the GDX, then GDXJ, which basically is the gold stocks and gold stocks, junior stocks in this here. And all I do say is look out below. Guys, do not place trade based on what you're seeing in this video. Trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There's no guarantees of making a profit in the market. So be smart about the way that you trade the markets, okay? One thing I want to share with you in this video here is basically what's happening right now on the last sort of few days when it comes to the GDX and the GDXJ, right? So we have this weekly, this daily chart. What's happening right now on this daily chart? We're really starting to falter, right? We're really starting to get a nice pushback of this level through here, which was resistance. Bit of a double top formation. Now we're actually pulling back through here. See, we've got a bit of a short-term rally, but now we're actually getting slammed once again, right? Look, red day, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red days in a row. Just bam, 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 all the way down. So as you can see, right, on the short term on this GDXJ chart, you can see that. Now what's actually happening on this long-term weekly chart? What do we see on this long-term weekly chart? We see once again that this market actually had a lower high, breaking of the low, came back up. You can see it actually rejected this whole level through here, which was support. We had support through here, support, support. Now it's actually testing it as resistance and rejecting that level. So therefore that tells me we're now likely to see a lot more downside to come on the overall picture. And so this market looks like it's probably going to start to head back down towards this level through here, which is, let me get some values there, which is around that $23 level, which looks like the next support level. And if that doesn't hold, then this thing's getting back down. This thing's likely to rally back down towards this $17 level from here. So we could start to see a lot more stronger selling in the gold stocks right now than we have seen in a while. And a lot of people are still trying to buy these miners. And that's so what we're seeing right now, guys, okay, because you trade what you see, not what you hope for, and flow with the market. And if the market starts to turn bullish, you flow with the market as well too. So right now, looking at the GDX, what is the GDX doing? The GDX has actually doing the same thing, right? We have a bit of a drop down through here, bit of a short-term rally, but we're getting a bit of a pushback through here, aren't we? Let's go back to that weekly chart once again. And what is this weekly chart saying to us? We can see how this market actually came down through to here. Okay, this is this last sort of support level through here, but you can see what ended up happening, right? We can see that this market, what happened through here, market came down, made a lower low, and this low through here is actually lower than this low through here as well too. So market's creating a lower low, it's rallying back up as well too. It's actually starting to falter already. The moving averages are catching up as well too. My 20 moving average on my weekly hours is catching up, and the market's still making this lower highs, and it looks like it's starting to create another lower high here. If we do start to break this, if the GDXJ starts to break this level, this low level through here, then on that daily chart, well, yeah, you can see on that daily chart, we're likely to see there's actually pretty free and clear run back down towards those low levels through there, which indeed is around that sort of $12.77, call it $13 level. It's a pretty free and clear run. We break this low level through here on the GDX, then we have a pretty free and clear run back down to the $13 levels. And here's the thing, guys, if the stock market does continue to roll over and we start to see a strong selling movement, then the gold stocks and silver and gold and the markets, everything can come down at once. It's not like one's going to boom and so on and so forth, right? So don't be, you know, what's been happening recently, right? Like there's not much movement in silver and gold, but the stock market's still been selling off quite strongly there. So don't fight this market. Don't fight this weekly, especially this weekly chart right now. We're still creating these lower highs in the markets. Let me delete that there. Still creating this lower high, big rally back down. Once again, we break that $17 level, then this thing's likely to head back down towards that $13 level. If the market does start to turn bullish, we'll flow with that. But right now, do not fight the market. Before you go, make sure you grab the free Grab the Markets by the Balls training course. In this training course, you're going to learn the top 13 deadly mistakes, the success formula, charting boundaries, the PT method, the ultimate trading system, the blast off trading system, #1 in trading indicator, the $1 million trade and money management, how successful traders approach the market, and so much more. Get this training course for free right now. Click on the very first link in the description to get this whole complete trading course to give you the edge on your side of trading this market. Do that right now, and I'll see you on the other side.